call my uncle and tell him to send you money so you could come get me.
On November 3rd, 2023, Illinois law enforcement officers responded to an auto dealership where a woman was reported to have attempted to buy a vehicle using a fake ID.
Hi, I'm Officer Brown, Bloomington Police Department. The reason I'm out here is I'm looking into, I got a call at a car dealership. Were you guys at a car dealership a little bit ago?
Yeah.
Okay. I got to talk to you about whatever was going on there. I don't know if, I wasn't there, so I'm trying to get the story straight. They're concerned because they think some of the paperwork didn't match up or something. Does that make sense?
I was just there and I was trying to get a car, yeah.
Okay. Did you provide them any kind of like fake information or something like that?
No.
Okay. Do you have the the license that you provided them? Do you have that with you?
Yeah.
Could I see it? How's it going? Okay. What about the other license that you provided them?
The driver's license?
Yeah. Let me see that one. Victor, why don't you run me in person, please?
I have these two IDs right here.
No, I need the driver's license that you provided them.
I probably dropped it in my mom's car when she came to get me.
Okay. Where did you get that license?
It's a regular license.
Where did you get it?
Where you get license from?
Okay. Well, the state of Illinois hasn't issued you a license.
I do have a license.
Well, not according to the state of Illinois.
Do they want me to bring it back up to them when I get it, or can I?
I'd like to see the license that you have.
My mom's not here.
Okay. You see how this is a problem? I'm trying to get some cooperation from you. I'm not trying to cause a big scene here.
I understand.
It's obvious that whatever license you provided them is not your actual license because, according to the state, you don't have a license. And it's not the same information that's on any of these that you've handed me.
What information is different?
The birthday?
Okay.
Okay. Can you provide me with that license so I can finish this up?
I don't have the license right now. I probably dropped it in my mom's car. Those are only 3 forms of ID I have on me right now.
Okay. The issue here is you understand that you've committed a crime by doing that, right? By providing a false driver's license in order to try to get approved to buy a car. You understand that that's a crime, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you do that because you don't have a valid license, you're worried that because it's not valid that you wouldn't be able to drive away with the car, or?
Oh no, I wasn't worried about that at all. I just grabbed the ID that's in my wallet.
Okay. Well, you just gave me 3 IDs, and none of these are the ones that you gave them just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, and my mom picked me up and I said I must have dropped it in her car because I didn't put it back in my wallet.
Okay. Would you let me come in and see if that fake license is here? You don't mind?
You don't have a warrant to come in here?
No. That's why I just asked.
Where are you trying to look? You want to go through my house?
Well, I mean, if that's where the ID is, I just would like to get that license that you are providing.
If you don't have a warrant, you can come in.
Okay. Adam 20, Victor 1.
Do you have one?
Well, no, but right now I have probable cause for your arrest. Okay?
No.
Because you've committed a crime like I just explained. Okay? And I'm not trying to cause a big scene. I'm not trying to make a big issue out of this. Okay? So that's where we're at right now. Victor 1, could I get another unit, please? No hurry. Got everything you need? There's a whole new process for getting out of jail and bonding and stuff like that, and I'm going to work through that here in just a minute, okay? So I'm not even sure if you'll be sitting there overnight or anything like that, so.
Alright.
Good. She's coming down there. When I get down to the bottom, I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna go. Uncle, call my mama. If you can, just send her some money.
She's got a boyfriend or something up there. He was kind of giving me an attitude. So. I know, he started getting a little attitude, so I just wanted to make sure I had somebody here. Okay. Well, I appreciate you being cooperative with me. You let go of your hand there so I can get this hooked? Yeah. What's that? All right, now we're going to go over to my squad car, okay?
What you just do?
I'm putting you in handcuffs. We have a... Is Molly still working?
Huh?
We're going to go over to my squad car real quick, and then I'm going to have a female come search you, make sure you don't have anything else in. Yep. She's going to go to the jail. Watch your step. Go to this.
Which one?
This one here, and then we're going to wait for a female officer to get. Frank, you're from Victor one. Just put a seat there for right now, okay? Yeah, you're good. I just wanted one person with me in case.
I was stuck in town, so.
Yeah.
Clark's the one watching it.
I told her that I was going to arrest her, and she's like, I gotta get something, and then she wasn't coming out, and he was kind of getting squirrely, but...
I just had a question.
Yeah.
So after I get my court date, I get to go, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's not a detainable offense or anything, so...
All right,
I'm waiting for the feet. Nope, she's not here yet, but she'll be here in just a few minutes, and then I was going to have her search you and stuff, and then we'll be on the way, okay?
All right.
Who is she waiting on?
You alright?
Can you get him on phone?
Oh yeah, I'll hold on to it. Thanks.
No, I don't want you to hold on.
I'm just going to set it right here on top of the car.
Can you give it to him?
You want him to have it?
Yeah.
You don't want to have it when you get out of jail? You might need to call him. I'll just set it right here. I'm not going to do anything with it. But you can't be calling people.
Hello.
Hi.
Step out here real quick.
Hello there.
Right here, turn around.
I'm Officer Monahan. I got a body camera on, so it's audio and video recording. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, hurt me, stick me? No? Okay. I'm going to have you face the car for me. Is the black your undies? Okay. Just going to pull these up real quick.
What did she say?
What did I? Oh.
Where is she at? What does she mean? I'm not trying to hear all
Not trying
that.
to poke you, hurt you, stick you, okay?
I'm not about it. I tell her I'm not trying to play with her. I don't. You dude. I don't have time. What did she say? Call my uncle. Call my uncle and tell him to send you money so you can come get me.
It's not like that anymore.
Yeah,
You're gonna go get an NTA.
Where's
You're gonna
that?
go get in, process through, get a notice to appear. They're gonna give you court date. There's no cash bond.
That's what you today?
Yeah, you'll be back before dinner now.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I need him
right.
there as soon as
Widen your feet for me, hon, okay?
Do you want him to have your phone or not?
A little bit more.
Yeah.
A little bit more, hon.
Your phone.
Huh? Widen your stance for me,
I'm
hon.
finna walk right up. It's right. The little courthouse is like right up around the corner right up here, right? Yeah. I'm literally finna walk.
That's okay.
I'm literally finna walk right up behind y'all.
It's not metal or anything, right?
They might, so you'll get out. You probably won't take off. Widen your stance for me, hon.
That's why I just said OG said keep up OG. They just told me that, so I told OG that. So
Tell her we should have a long talk. So,
Saw your mom again?
Huh?
Spoke to your mom again? Same girl that was here last week or 2 weeks ago?
What girl?
Your mom? Wasn't she the one that showed up a couple weeks
Oh,
ago?
I knew you looked familiar. That's
I
kind
got
of
your
crazy.
phone charge, right? Look at that, it's working and everything.
You smart.
I know.
You keeping your phone?
Huh?
You keeping your phone?
Yeah, because I'm going to have to call you.
Why you gonna call me and I'm gonna be standing right there when you walk out there? Alright, okay. Just call me then. I'm gonna stay here.
No. I'm not finna play with you. If you're not up there by the time I get there, it's up.
Around here's her. This, I think, she didn't have anything.
No.
That's her only property. Okay. Thank you guys.
Oh, you got that unbuckled by yourself?
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. Just have a seat over here on this bench. Right here, please.
Wait, I'm trying to push my glasses.
Just have a seat over there.
Okay, well, can I stand?
Yeah, you can stand if you want.
I sit too much over.
Sure. Just so in case we are talking and stuff, I'm going to advise you the rights to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent, you understand that? Anything that you say can be used against you in a court or other proceedings, do you understand that? You have the right to have an attorney present while you're being questioned at all, you understand that? If you can't afford to hire an attorney, one could be appointed to represent you free of any cost, you understand that?
The woman was taken into custody and charged with possession of a fraudulent driver's license. Justice is a process, not a moment. How do you think this one should play out?